Meaning of idiom.
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 Idiom. An idiom is a phrase or expression that has a figurative meaning that differs from the literal meaning of the words. Idioms are commonly used in everyday speech and can be difficult for non-native speakers to understand because their meanings cannot be deduced from the individual words. Instead, their meanings must be learned through familiarity with their usage over time. Idioms add color, nuance, and character to language, but they can also lead to confusion if not used properly. Understanding idioms is an important aspect of mastering a language and communicating effectively.